Okay, we can see here have a N95 characters, and this area can make your own logo on it. And this is the ear loop welding dot. Is a rectangle shape, and you can make square or dot shape. This elastic ear loop is enough for daily use. And this nose bridge is you can see it's very close to your face. Let's show. Okay. So let's start from our fitting area. This is the fitting area, and you can put 5 fabrics here. If you want to make 6 layers mask, it also can support. This is the fabric reel, and here have a small sensor. It can detect whether it has fabric on the reel or not. If the reel is short of fabric, it will alarm you. And this is the first part of the N95 mask machine. There is the N95 nose brush rack, and it will go through here. It will go from here and until this area. It's a transparent, and this part is to push the nose bridge into the material and forward. Here is the mask mold. It can print on the mask. As you can see on the fabric, it has printed. And this area and this area can be changed to your own logo. We just need to change the mask mold only. Here is the cooler fan. Is to cool down the temperature of the mask mold to make sure it can work efficiently and for a long time use. This handle can adjust the mask mood, also to replace the mask mood. This is the nose bridge sensor. It can detect whether the fabric has the nose bridge. If don't have, it will alarm you as well. This yellow color is the get roller. You will get the material forward to next step. Also, this is the handrail. You can adjust this part. This is the welding, ear loop welding system. And let's take a look closely. This is the ear loop clips, and we use 2 cylinders here. You can see. And this we use a famous Taiwan brand. It's called AirTag. The price is expensive than other cylinders. Here is the scissors. It's for to cut the ear loop. As we can see this part is to weld the ear loop on the fabric. And here, this is the servo motor of the ear loop system. And the whole system, we use 7 Shingen servo motors to drive. And move here is another gap roller. This part is the folding part. And when And when the material come here, you have to make sure this point can strictly follow this line. You will make sure the mask will strictly follow the standard. This is the touch panel. You can change to other languages, and we also can customize any language you want. This is the alarm light. The green color is work great, and the yellow color is heading, and for the red color is emergency stop. And let's go here. This part is the edge sealing part. We use 2 servo motors to drive, and as well as 1 ultrasonic welding machine. When the fabric come here, it will lead to seal the edge. And this is the gap roller. And this is the cutter position adjusting part. After this, you will be cut the shape on this area. This is the cutter. And here we can connect the finished mask from here. And this is the waist connection part. We can install this from here. If there have any marks, don't fallen, and it will automatically follow here. And let's take a look at our electro system. And here we can see the whole line of servo motor drives. We use total 11 servo motors here. And this whiteboard is to avoid any accidents like fire. Since sometimes the ear loop will drop here, then we can avoid. It will connect with the motors and electric to avoid fire. This is our ultrasonic machine. It's meant to drive the ear loop system. This part. And this is our pressure port. We use 2 pressure ports here. It's because sometimes some countries, well, the pressure is not stable. So in case of any other case happens, so when the pressure is not enough, you can use our pressure port. And here is another ultrasonic. Is to drive the edge parting, the edge sealing part. And the last, let's take a look at our cable box. And here is our cable box. And let's take a look closely. It have a specific numbers, and it's for easy maintenance. If any part of the machine have problems, you can easily find from the cable. Okay, that's all for the machine introduction. Thank you.